welcome to Whispers. As Fulani Lunatics run their own asylum, Yorubas are ready for Oduduwa nation. That's true. By Bayo Wasomi. As Fulanis run their own asylum, we Yorubas are energized and ready for our own Oduduwa nation. Things are getting worse by the day. Nigeria has reached a tipping point, a point of no return. Henceforth, it's going to be a race to the bottom. Nigerian government is supposed to be a government by the people with supreme power vested in our elected representatives. But the truth is, Nigeria is a nation governed by Fulani minority lunatics, with all the three branches of government run by them. Under General Muhammadu Buhari, the majority has been silenced, overturned by a loud and ruthless minority Fulani that has grossly manipulated the levels of power to hijack the country. We have never seen such a naked, unprecedented power grab by a tyrant. Nigeria as a society and as a democracy has become damaged goods. We are so badly mingled that no one can put Nigeria back together. Reason: the Fulani lunatics are running the asylum. Every day we are bombarded by irrefutable proof of Yorubas being run into the ground and sucked dry by the Fulani vampires running Nigeria. Snippets of Bible nurses from Fulani lunatics running the asylum. Defense Minister Major General Bashir Magashi blamed Kangara high school students for being abducted by terrorists. We shouldn't be cowards. Why should people run away from minor aggressions, shootings and killings? We should stand and face them. On social market killings by Fulani terrorists, Senate President Ahmad Lawan said, the governor's utterances, Southwest governors, emboldened the criminals and they unleashed violence against the Northerners. On herdsmen killing innocent farmers, Governor of Niger State, Abubakar Bello said, the truth of the matter is that since independence, no one has paid attention to herdsmen who are mostly Fulanese. We have paid more attention to farmers, zero to herdsmen. On Oduduwa and Biafra agitators, Gumi said, these people agitating for Oduduwa, Biafra, and Arewa are all the same group of people with Boko Haram. Pleading the cause of bandits, Gumi said, the federal government should give them blanket amnesty. And Governor Akeredolu's order for Fulani terrorists to vacate Ondo State Forest. Secretary of Pan Fulani Group for Cattle Breeders Association of Mayeti Island, Sela Hali Hazan said, Akeredolu will be held accountable for the ongoing genocide against innocent pastoralists and Netherlands living in the southwest. Seems we can never have enough of madness from Fulani lunatics suffering from mad cow disease. As Fulani lunatics run their own asylum, we Yorubas are energized and ready for our own Oduduwa nation. Things are getting worse by today. Every day we witness a new numbing catalogue of wars with naked invitation that is calling Nigeria to the brink of separation. Buhari grabs appalling trends and insane ideas and run with them farthest and fastest. With his reckless abuse of reason and freedom, his nepotism and negligence, his tribal bigotry, and his Islamization agenda, his corruption and cluelessness, the next page turned by Buhari will be drenched in blood and horror. That is how his presidency will end. Wow. brilliant. I'll drop this till I come your way again. Bye.